So a lot of people post pictures a lot on their page. Yes, these pictures, they get a lot of engagements, but then they are wondering if actually the reactions and the reach that they get from these pictures that they post on their page will help them fasten their eligibility criteria for monetization. So I am doing this video to explain that and to reveal to you if actually the pictures that you post on your page adds to your eligibility criteria for your monetization. We all know that performance bonus, which is a tool that pays creators for posting pictures and text alone, and the reaction and all the shares and the rest that they get on their page, is a kind of text based monetization tool. That it pays based on text and the photos that you post on your page. But then, does you posting text and photos as an upcoming content creator actually help you in meeting up criteria for both in-stream and stars? If that is your question, just stick on this video because I'm going to explain it all to you. So on Facebook, we know that in-stream ads pays based on videos, both ads on Reels, live ads also. All those ones are tools that are meant for video kind of content. You as a content creator who wants to monetize, is it right to be posting a lot of text on your page? If you have been doing that on your page, I want to make it clear to you that in as much as text and photos, they tend to boost your page, they tend to give your page more reach because those are a kind of light content. They're not heavy as videos, so they tend to take your content to more audience. But then what you need to know is that when it comes to monetizing on in-stream ads and the ads on Reels, you need videos, not just videos. You need good videos, quality videos, and also long form videos if you're optimizing to monetize on in-stream, which all of us considers as the best tool when it comes to monetizing on this blue app. If you are eager to know if the photos that you post on your page adds up to your eligibility criteria for monetization, no, it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't in any kind. No matter the reaction that you're getting on your page, it doesn't add up, it doesn't add anything to your eligibility criteria. The only thing that it does is that it tends to make your page grow faster. Okay, it tends to make your page grow faster. It enables more people see your page, but then those texts doesn't and the photos doesn't add up at all. Rather, you need videos. You need videos. You need to get 60,000 minutes views, as it has been stated on Facebook, for you to be able to monetize. So if you want to monetize as an upcoming content creator and you are still starting out, it's best that you post more of videos than text. This is a secret that you should know, because there is a way Mark and his team treats video pages and text and photo pages. So if you start building your page as a video page, they will treat it as a video page, and it will actually help you, because when you start getting views, it will benefit you in terms of earnings and in terms of suggesting. Because when they start suggesting your videos, if you post text, your text will reach many people, and if you also post images, it will reach many people. But if you start your page with photos, when you start posting videos, you will not be getting views, even if you are getting maybe 1k reaction or even 500 reactions on your photos. But if you start posting videos with 500 reaction or even 1k reaction on your photos, those videos that you post on that page will not be getting such reaction, because the algorithm is treating your page as a photo page and not a video page. So if you have been doing this, please stop it. Post more of videos on your page. And if you are even finding it hard to post videos all the time, I do advise that in a day you can create two long form content and one reel. Or if you cannot come up with two contents, just make sure you come up with one good long form video and then a reel. And if you want to post image, is fine, but make sure that on your page that you want to monetize and make money with, you are posting more of videos than photos. So I made this video to clear the doubt for those who have been asking this question and who wants to monetize on their page. Till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibuike. Keep creating.